multitasking, single tasking. Which you require to do that?
Single tasking.
Multitasking, single tasking. Which you require to do that?
Single tasking.
Single tasking. Never do multitasking. Our brain is designed only for single tasking, not for multitasking. If you are going to do multitasking, your productivity by default will be down. Okay, don't do multitasking. You require to do single tasking only. That's the most valuable man. Okay, while listening the session, doing other activity. Okay, while driving the car, listening the session, or while driving the car, talking in the phone, such type of things, never do. There is no use at all because you can't do two things at a time. Okay, even computers are there. So per processor, do you know computers are there? Multi-processing. Okay, like in operating system level, multiprocessing is possible or not?
Yes.
Multiprocessing is possible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, remember that. That is our virtual reality. Boss, multitasking is multiprocessing is happening in operating system level. But strictly speaking, at a time only one task only. That the processor is going to be allocated for process to processor. So just for 1 second for this process, next 1 second for this process. So in the middle, that time is called context switching. But that 1 second, that 0.1 second, we may not identify. That's why we are feeling that, okay, all the processes are executing simultaneously. Okay, like. So that multitasking is not going to be happen even in computers also. Don't worry. At a time, only one task. At a time, only one task. Multi-threading concept is there in Java. You people aware, right? Multi-threading concept is there in Java. Array, whenever one thread is in waiting state, whenever one thread is in sleeping state, whenever one thread is in pausing state, then the virtual machine is going to be used by some other thread. But the two threads are simultaneously, concurrently not going to execute. Just we are feeling that, oh, two things are going to be executed simultaneously. In reality, it's not going to be happening. Okay, forget about programming. We are not from programming background. Leave that. Okay, just in reality, you require to do only one task at a time. If you are trying to do multitasking, okay, that is the single reason for your failure.